Hi, and welcome back to Exploring the Quest 3 device. Today we're going to talk about using the Meta Store to download cool apps you may want to use for your class. To do that, find the menu bar and go over to this icon right here. That is the Meta Store. That's where you can find new apps to download. Some of them are free, most of them are not, however, unfortunately. But let's go take a look anyway. So go ahead and click on that, and the store pops up. Of course, there's a whole bunch of titles here they want to sell you. But we're scientists, we don't have any money, so we're going to go over here to the magnifying glass and click it. And that takes you into the search area. Now you're going to want to click on this field right here, and the virtual keyboard will pop up. Now type in, how about space? And here are a couple of different items you can download for space. Let's download this one because this one costs $10. This one looks like it might be free. Let's download this one. So point your cursor at this and click. And it comes to this window here. It gives you a synopsis of what you're looking at. It gives you a little video so you can kind of know what you're getting into. If you like what you see, you can also scroll down here, and sometimes you can get reviews. So this has got a 4 out of 5. You may want to read these reviews, especially if you're paying for it. You may want to totally read this. And once you're happy, satisfied that everything's good, go ahead and click on Get. Now, some larger apps may take a while. So the nice thing is the Quest device will let you do other things while this is downloading. All right, so now our app is downloaded. We could just hit Start right here, but for the sake of this video, let's go to the app library instead. And there is our app right there. So just click on it and it will launch. And there you go. So this is Mission ISS, which is pretty cool. Whoa. Wow, that's very neat. Pretty sure this is a video game. All right, so now, if you're done in the app and you want to leave, simply hit the infinity button on your right controller. Remember, the infinity button is the button just below the joystick that's depressed slightly underneath the level of the controller. And then when you push that, this menu will pop up. You can either resume or quit, among some other functions. Let's hit quit. So that is how you download, launch, and quit an app in the Metaverse. Good luck, and I'll see you in VR.